Hello, we're in Stan's garage today and we're working on the 55 cab over international project. We got the mock-up engine and transmission mounted in there about where they're going to be now. They're nice and low. The frame right now is sitting as low as it'll go. Airbags for the front will be here Monday. We'll get them set on, and the 4-link is in the mail. So today we're going to lift this engine back out. We boxed the frame rails and got the tops all welded up, and we'll get the engine back out and tip this frame up on its side, and we'll trim the bottom of the plates on the frame rails and get them welded up. So we'll be back with you in a minute. Dimension, and then we're going to weld it up. Got a plasma cutter here. And here we go. There you can see we've got the plates cut off on the left frame rail. The right frame rail, you can see what the inside looks like. We're going to pull the frame up the other direction and we'll cut that side off too. And we've got almost all the holes filled in this side of the frame that we're going to fill. So we'll pull up the other side. Well, got the driver's side all boxed in, cleaned up. Looks pretty good. Tomorrow, I guess I'll tackle the passenger side. We'll let her down. There we go. Yeah, looks good. Lots of work, but it looks good. And today we're representing Janus Motorcycles. They're built in Goshen, Indiana, American made. They make a 250 and a 450. I bought a 250 in 2019 and rode it to Dead Horse, Alaska and back, around 8,000 miles. So check that out on some of my other videos, and go to the Janus website and check them out too. Stan's Garage, Myrtle, South Dakota.